PlanSmart app is a very innovative application where we can actually prepare to recover even before a disaster would happen. This would enable local government units, local chief executives, or disaster managers to have an imagination of what can happen in their area based on exposure, hazards, and simulations.
Creating plans requires so much effort. That is why PHIVOLCS, along with OCD and World Bank, developed this tool that can systematically generate a rehabilitation and recovery plan using science-based data and calculation tools through the GeoRisk platform.
Immediately after that, on December 17, we don't know where to start. We have no numbers. We have no record. We are only dependent on the report from the barangay. And even the barangay was not able to reach to the population.
Though we are conducting PIDRA, but we do not have the recovery plan. Gumagawa kami ng recovery and rehabilitation plan if there is a disaster. Wala po yung pre-disaster. Or nahihirapan kami sa pag-formulate kung ano yung mga PPAs na pwede naming i-propose. Hindi natin naplaplanuhan ang sustainability for them to recover.
With PlanSmart, from template to how it is being done, you can produce a very comprehensive plan out of its tool.
Itong tool na ito will help LGUs and eventually the communities come up with appropriate plans for them to prepare in the event there is a disaster. We expect a more efficient, a more responsive preparation of rehabilitation plans kasi from the very start, you are able to get the necessary information already in one app and you can do planning and anticipate the needs.
Umagawa kami ng plan is rigid yung process kasi manual siya. With PlanSmart kasi, parang i-input mo na lang yung mga data as long as meron ka ng baseline and then siya na mismo yung mag-generate ng entire plan. So, mas madali siya compare sa manual kang gumagawa ng plan.
I-utilize namin para mas ma-fast track lagi yung pagpaplano. With PlanSmart, meron tayong mga baseline data na pwedeng pagbasihan para makapaggawa tayo ng mas applicable and mas quality na plano.
The PlanSmart application does not only equip our local government units in terms of RRP formulation, it also enhances the LGUs in crafting their local development plans. And with that, they can strategically formulate relevant programs and projects to address such issues.
This has been a dream of local government development planners for a long time. I can remember as far back as right after Yolanda. If only we had prepared a recovery and rehabilitation plan before Yolanda hit us. But today it's a reality.
With what we are doing, the goal is to continue changing mindsets and build a culture of preparedness to help communities anticipate and manage the impacts of disasters and crises, even before they happen.
Please use the PlanSmart Ready to Rebuild app to plan ahead, work smarter, and rebuild faster.